Hello everyone, this is Franco here, and look, I hate to say this, but I have bad news. There was going to be a train show at the Kenan Center on the 25th, but unfortunately, due to the coronavirus, it's been cancelled, sadly. So, I'm afraid the fourth sequel will be officially on the next show, which is next year. So, I'm really sorry if I make anyone upset, but life does its thing, unfortunately. However, I have good news. The good news is that I might make my own train show event at my house. So, now, if one of you guys are train fans, that's great. In fact, here's what I like for you guys to do. If one of you could create a video about any type of train that comes by, that'd be great. Just make sure you upload it to YouTube. Be sure to label it train video for train show for Franco 9156, or you could just rename it as train video for Franco 9156, if that's okay with you. The reason why I would like you guys to do this is because, well, maybe I can show one of the videos that you guys created on YouTube, then I can give you a shout out. Here's the thing. I'm gonna talk to my parents about having my own train show, and hopefully they're gonna find out. They're gonna see if hold on, if they would like that to happen. I might have to put out some other toy trains, and I gotta remind my brothers about that as well, in case if they decide to come downstairs in the basement and play in the games. But we'll see. I'll think about it. If I cannot do that, and then I'll just don't worry, I'll think of something. I'll make a train video. Alright. We'll see. Okay, so we'll see. It's gonna be a major event for me. So, alright. So, there's not much for me to say. So the event will be on the 25th. Okay. So, well, so alright. There's not much for me to say, so but before I go, let me just give this a recap. So, I apologize if I hurt anyone's feelings. I'm pretty sure the train show will be back next year on a different day. Alright? So, be sure to stay tuned for the fourth sequel next year. Alright? Thank you. Alright. Well, see you soon.